everyone, welcome to CUH campus powered by Sunstone. Today we are here to celebrate our annual Sports Fest 2026. Here all the students are excited to swap their laptops with rackets, volleyball, bats and with pure energy. Let's get ready for some serious competition in badminton, volleyball, relay race, tug of war and cricket. Games begin and may the best team win. What was the toughest moment in this competition?
Today mainly I guess managing this temperature is very tough. All of it about it, and BTech guys are playing very well, especially in volleyball. They won the match. I appreciate them on this special occasion.
What message would you like to give to the audience and other players?
I would like to give the audience that message. They need to cheer up all the players here. Calm today, I guess. They need to encourage players very well, and players need to take care about their belongings, and players need to handle themselves very well in this temperature to perform very well.
Today we have finally completed the annual Sports Fest 2026. Some won medals, but everyone here gained experience and some memories. We thank all the teachers, students and organizers for making this event success.